as we now find ourselves in the deepest, darkest point of this crypto winter, it can seem like prices will never recover. However, in the mass of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market right now, I just wanted to remind people that once the bottom is finally hit, then the next big bull run in crypto will begin. Now, you may have missed some of the amazing developments going on in crypto in all of this chaos in the last few weeks. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the best that's been going on all around the world, building the case why I believe the next bull run in crypto will be the biggest one yet. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like. Always appreciated. Okay, so first up, I recently shared a really interesting chart, and it showed a couple of very important things. Also, what may be coming just over the horizon. And so this was the chart that I recently shared, which sets up the whole premise of this video. And essentially what it shows is these are the last 3 Bitcoin and crypto cycles, and it shows the big bull runs that happen and the crypto winters that follow. So this is where Bitcoin started, and this was the first big bull market cycle, which then went into the following crypto winter. This was the next big bull market cycle, which then went into the last crypto winter, which then led into the most recent crypto bull market where we had this double top, and now we're going into the next crypto winter. And a couple of very important things that it points out is that we are now entering the very worst part of the crypto winters. And this has happened multiple times before. Now, notice here, this is where the Bitcoin halving event happens. And at some point between now and then, sentiment is going to change. And what I'm trying to point out to everybody watching is that if you can just look over the horizon, the next big bull run in crypto is coming. So with all the chaos that's been going on, let's just take a moment to look at all the best crypto adoption going on all around the world. First up, we are in Israel, and starting from the beginning of next year, they'll be testing tokenized digital bonds. So the bond market, one of the biggest financial markets in the world, is getting put onto blockchain rails. And well done to Israel pushing financial innovation. Next up, we have stablecoin Tether, and they are pushing the adoption in Brazil. And they're going to make USDT available at 24,000 different ATMs in Brazil. And Brazil is another country really pushing crypto adoption. One of the first to get a Bitcoin ETF. Next, we fly on over to Kazakhstan, and they are planning to launch their CBDC, their central bank digital currency, on the Binance BNB chain. Now, I'm sure there's going to be mixed feelings about CBDCs. However, if the average everyday investor can benefit by holding BNB, then that's a good thing. Next, we're going to look at 2 of the biggest payment companies in the world, Visa and MasterCard, who are being forced to innovate or die. So this was a piece that showed that Visa had been filing some trademarks hinting at the Visa crypto wallet. And crypto wallets are going to be huge over the next couple of years. And then MasterCard will be helping banks offer crypto trading. So MasterCard is launching a program to let financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading to their clients. And this will be done by building a bridge between them and Paxos. So Visa and MasterCard stepping up their crypto game. Now we fly on over to the Philippines, and yet another one of the biggest banks in the Philippines said November that it's just begun the pilot program for Bitcoin custody and trading, and this will be going out to retail customers. Banks getting involved. Then the world's largest exchange, Binance, which I'm sure we've probably all heard about by now, pushing crypto adoption as they win registration as a crypto asset provider in Cyprus, and also a license from Abu Dhabi in the Middle East. Now, heading over to Europe, and $9 billion digital bank N26 launching crypto trading amid this bear market. And N26 is going to let users buy and sell 100 different tokens, and they'll be first launching in Austria and then rolling out to other markets. And their exec said cryptocurrencies remain super high even in a bear market. Crypto spreading throughout Europe. Then the big news, flying over to Japan, a huge banking giant, Nomura, will be launching crypto trading again in 2023. And this is going to be an institutional trading platform coming in the first quarter. And they bring a cool $400 billion of assets under management. Then one of the biggest asset managers in the world, Fidelity, obviously a big fan of crypto, they're now rolling out Ethereum custody and trading to their institutional clients. Great news for all Ethereum investors. And this was an amazing story. It's the first house sold as an NFT, making history. A 3-bedroom house in Columbia, South Carolina. So for all the people that just thought NFTs were pictures of rocks and monkeys, think again. An NFT is just a unique item that can be tokenized. And this is going to be amazing for all real estate. And going through the process myself of selling a property right now, it can take months to go through. Put this on blockchain and it can be wrapped up in a matter of days. Then Prime Trust Crypto IRA set to leave its beta program as Bitcoin volatility at historic low. Well, unfortunately, the volatility did break out, but the great news is that more companies are trying to give people crypto exposure to their 401k accounts. And obviously, this is huge just by itself. Then, two of the biggest companies in the world, we have global tech giant Google as it launches its cloud node engine for Ethereum developers. And more recently, they've also launched this for Solana as well. So Google getting into crypto. And then we had the news that Shell, one of the biggest oil companies in the world, will be sponsoring the Bitcoin 2023 event, as they also have some solutions for Bitcoin mining. So only two of the biggest companies in the world getting into crypto. And then finally, we are finishing on yet another $500 billion asset manager, Apollo, launching Bitcoin custody for institutional clients. And this really is the million tons of water being held back by the dam of regulation. And once regulation hits, it's going to open the door to billions of dollars of institutional money, which is now being put into place. So, as you saw, even though we've entered the worst part of this crypto winter, there's been amazing developments going on all around the world. And just in the last few weeks, we've had Visa and MasterCard stepping up their crypto game, the introduction of crypto bonds, more banks getting into crypto trading and custody, Google getting into crypto, Shell getting into crypto, and more companies trying to give crypto access to 401k accounts. So if you can just look past the next 3 to 6 months, the next major bull run is coming, and I believe it'll be the biggest one yet, taking us to new all-time highs. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was a refreshing change to all of the chaos that's been going on over the past few weeks. And for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.